Hi, it's Erin with Snowberry Design Co. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really easy way to paint a more realistic poinsettia. I'm using my size 16 round brush and Scarlet Red by Daniel Smith and painting an X where I want the center of my poinsettia to be. Next, I'm drawing a straight line right through the middle of the X. These are going to be my guidelines for my poinsettia to make sure that the petals are evenly spaced apart. Now that I've got these guidelines in place, I'm painting my petals going right over the top of the guides. Next, I'm painting a second layer of the petals right in between where I painted these first petals. Next, I'll be adding in the leaves. I'm going to go right over the top of one of my smaller petals. I'm being careful not to touch the petal, but to get really close. And you can see I accidentally touched the second petal, so I'll go back and clean that up in just a minute. I've evenly spaced these 3 leaves out. Now I'll go back and fix where that petal and leaf bled together, and I'm just going to go right over the petal with a clean, dry brush to soak up that extra green paint. Now I'm adding in a few more small leaves to help fill in some of that white space. I'm adding in some details to the center of my poinsettia with this gold paint. I have all of the products I'm using in my Amazon store if you'd like to check that out. Now I'm going in with a darker red and adding in some details to my petals using a size 0 round brush. To finish this painting up, I'm adding in some detail lines with a darker green. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful or fun to watch, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and share this with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching. Bye!